Today, me and Arturo are fishing again on a river, but this place is a little weird. I'm not gonna tell you where it is because Brady and my dad told me to gatekeep it, but you got random chickens, and dogs. I'm using a little spinner bait. Arturo's got, you know,
shallow runner.
this place is funny. But yeah, I'll check back in when we get down to the water. I was throwing this, but my dad told me if I didn't throw this lure that he was going to take away the keys to my truck. So I guess I have to throw it. All right, well, I hope you can see that. I've changed again. Got a dark little fluke. I've got it hooked so it'll dive down a little bit. I mean, it will naturally because of the snap I have, but I was throwing white stuff and lighter colored stuff, but since the water is all dark, I'm thinking something darker to cast a better silhouette is going to be better. I don't know, this is quite a unique place. Okay. Show y'all what a St. Croix does with a weightless fluke. Perfectly in that little notch. Oh my gosh, that's a big fish. Oh my god, that is big. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna just try and slide it up here. Oh shit, that's a nice fish. Now, in yesterday's video, come on, we were catching, I don't know, I can't do that, what's called Bartram's bass. And you remember it had the lines? This one didn't have much orange, but it's got these lines here. And the gill's different and the mouth doesn't go behind the eye. So this is a solid, I'd say like 3.5 pound Bartram's bass. That is a good fish. I can't get this shit out. There we go. Ooh, that's a good fish. I'm gonna teach Arturo and you guys how to put on something on a hook like this. Show them your hook. Put it up. Let me see. Dang, yours is about the same size as mine. You might need a bigger hook. Oh well. So you take it, hold it like this.
Right.
And you're gonna put it into the very top in the middle, just to the start of the bend. Okay. Right? And you're gonna poke it through the side. No. Just like through the exact same way, yeah. Pull it through. And you slide it up to the top. When you get to the top, twist it around. I did too much. No, hold on, don't do that yet.
Okay. So it's at the top like this.
Yeah, wait for me to get there. Alright. Then you're gonna put it beside it. And you're gonna like kind of look at it, kind of measure it. Mm-hmm. And so you see where that hook touches in? Yep. That's where you're gonna hook it in. And you're gonna make sure it's straight the whole way through. I actually did this one wrong. Dang. There we go. Let me see it? No. So with these things, watch. You're gonna get it up there, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I had to get it more up there?
Yeah, you gotta get all the way up on the bend.
Okay.
Then you measure it, and you stick it straight through, right? And you don't want that though. Mm-hmm. So you're gonna pull it and get it like that a little bit. And that's how you get it weedless.
Okay. And so once they bite,
it'll pop out. Boom, just like so. So I've only ever caught that big fish earlier on the dark fluke. I haven't seen anything since. So Gonna try a different approach. Still the dark color because it's this murky water, but it's to be on the bottom. It's supposed to look like just something yummy, like a little crawfish maybe. Or I could swim this through the water as well, but it is a bigger profile. Pretty sure it's called a pig and jig, or I don't know. That's just a jig. But yeah. I was just thumping this thing along. Oh, there's another like 5-pounder, dude. Oh, this thing's giant. Oh, this thing's absolutely huge. Oh, come here. Come here. Come on. Open that mouth. No, 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 no. No, no, okay, okay, you can go. Oh, this thing is big. Come here. Oh. Damn, I'm good. Man, if you ever doubt yourself and think you're a bad fisherman because you don't catch fish like these, don't feel bad. Just stop watching my videos. Oh my. Pretty sure this is, I think it's a spot. Because again, the mouth didn't go behind the eye. And it's got these spots on its back. But damn, that is a beautiful fish. That's gonna be the thumbnail, maybe. Let's get this released too. Oh my. That thing absolutely thumped it. Whoa. Yeah. Hey, buddy.
What is that? Snake?
Skink. Broadhead skink.
Yoink.
Got a fresh new battery in. I've only caught those 2 fish. Still was a successful day. This place is pretty cool. All the way around. But yeah, our trail's working over here. I think we're just gonna swim. I don't really know what adventure is next, but yeah, I'll see you then. Okay.